ngitheni nina nathini kumina. Sengibuyile. Ngitheni nina nathini kumina. Nginitshela ngalombhemu. Oximthethwa. Netheni ngibuzile ngathi mengase kukhishwe lo mbhemu. Mengase kukhishwe uOximthethwa. Singa-attackwa kangakanani? Mangaphi ama-attack aqalwa aphumelele esiswini makhona umthetho esiswini. Yeke indaba yoJuna Khanye, yeke indaba yoJuna Khanye nomona wabo nokungayithandi kwabo iKaizer abantu abaneyinkinga zabo zobuhlungu babo bepast yabo ukuthi abakwazanga ukuba izinto ababefuna ukuba izona. Now badinelwa abantu abanethuba lokuthi benze into njengamanje. Bayeke labo bantu lapho. Musu kubuka ibhola ngaleloso ngoba nawe uzoba nenkinga njengabo. Yabo. Wayeka ama-analyst yakade aziwa ukuthi ayema super fan aziwayo ukuthi mina ngiyi super fan yeSundowns. Thina lama analyst amanye siwazi lapha ekade eyima super fan yeSundowns aziwa ukuthi they were super fans of Sundowns. Now sesilindele ukuthi sizoza ama-analysts from them. They were calling this guy Sihlahla. Look at what Mthethwa did today. Yabo. Look at what Mthethwa did today. And ungadidisa ukuthi sidlalile ama-penalty. No, we actually won the game. Ungadidisa ukuthi sidlalile ama-penalty because last time we lost the game. But this time we won the game. And Mthethwa was there destroying every possible attack coming from these guys. Kabuskop. Yabo. Ngatheni mina musana ukubuka ibhola ngenzondo yabantu abangayisupport iKaizer Chiefs. If you support Kaizer Chiefs, support your players as well. Support the decisions of the management, support the decisions of the club. I understand sometimes we get frustrated, but it will not help us ukuthi sisebenze against i-team yethu. If we are fans of the club, we must support the club. Look at what Mthethwa did today. Destroying everything, every possible attack coming from these guys. Yabo. And we must stop blaming Mthethwa for the way all coach approach our game. Because Mthethwa is a deep six, that's his role. But all coach baphinde ba-add amanye ama-defensive players on top of Mthethwa. And then the club end up yonke idlala defender. But if Mthethwa is there and you faka ama-creative players and you approach the game with an intention of having the ball on your feet, creating chances, udlala uya phambili, this is what happens. Yabo. There are mistakes that we can talk about. But I'm not going to talk about it today. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngomthetho namhlanje ukuthi ngitheni nina nathini kumina.